All right, here we are in Nordelta today, looking at these boats, Buenos Aires. It's definitely got a different feel in most neighborhoods. It sits right on the river. We are in kind of the touristy section. Very nice looking apartments here, condos, jet skis for the river. That'd be a fun one. We're just going to do a little stroll around this touristy part of town here. Got the marina with all the boats tied up. Really nice clean walkway. Thought we might have luck seeing some capybaras up here, but they have avoided us so far. Maybe we'll catch a capybara on screen here. And what kind of tree is that? Look at the stickers on that. Some kind of pod. Sure they do. Look at this cute little dog up here, making an appearance in the video. Hope this little guy or gal's friendly. All right. Didn't want killer there to attack us. This Marina Miradores. Got a nice bunch of geese out here. Nordelta, have you been? Would you go? I think we're gonna go check out one of these restaurants across the way at the marina. Or maybe go to the welcome to the games and drinks zone. Buenos Aires is a pretty neat place. They got a lot of English posted around. Mixture of Spanish and English. I'm not seeing any greenery down here. Capybara hunt 2026 might be a bust. Another cute dog though, super cute. Coffee and drinks takeaway. this your boat, I'd love to go on a ride sometime. Drop me a comment. I will reply. Got some geese on the dock down there. Man, look at this ride here. I'm not even sure if I'd fit in that little thing. Send a super chat now. 20 bucks, I'll flip this over. $20, I'll flip that over. With very little effort. Wonder how quick they'd run out here if I picked it up. Super nice area, but boy, it sure is dead. You'd think this baby get to popping at night. I'll have to look up and see what's going on in Nordelta. Learn a little bit more about it. It's kind of an impromptu video. Up here, might as well record it, check it out. Like these apartments here right above. Great views of the river. Walk downstairs, get you a good meal. Who all's been to Nordelta? What'd you do here? Taking a boat ride? Grabbing a meal? That Irish town there disconnects the games and drinks place. Alright guys, I think we're going to end it right here at Disconnect. Games and drinks. Go in and check that out. See what's shaking in there. Hit that subscribe button, like if you like this video, and follow for more. See you in the next one.